Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we're going to make some keto granola and granola bars. The idea for this video really came from two sources. Quite a while ago, a company had sent me their keto granola, and it was pretty tasty, but it was like $15 for this tiny little bag. Then, recently while at Costco, I picked up these coconut keto clusters. And as I look at the nutritional information on this, I kind of wonder how they can call this keto. I mean, it's 8 grams of total carbohydrates for a 1 ounce serving, 5 grams net. In terms of ingredients, coconut, pumpkin seeds, pecans, almonds, cane sugar, not sure how that's keto, brown rice syrup, coconut butter, erythritol, flax seeds, sea salt, agave fiber, and natural flavor. I saw that and thought, I can do better. So with that, let's get to making some keto granola and granola bites. Start with 1 cup or 90 grams of sliced almonds. Then add 1 cup or 110 grams of pecan pieces. Then 1/2 cup or 75 grams of shelled pumpkin seeds or pepitas. And finally, 1 cup or 80 grams of unsweetened shredded coconut. Mix together with a spatula until thoroughly combined. We don't want to get any bits with great big globs of coconut in it. We'll set this aside while we work on our wet ingredients, starting with 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of liquid egg white. To this we will add 15 drops or roughly 1/4 teaspoon of liquid stevia. I'm just using the plain stevia here, but you can have some fun with flavors. I would think vanilla cream would work well, so would cinnamon. Then whisk your egg white. To this we will add 1/4 cup or 54 grams of bocha sweet. Whisk again until our egg whites are completely foamy. Then pour into our dry ingredients. And again, with our spatula, mix thoroughly to combine. At this point, it's up to you if you want to make bites, bars, or just straight granola. We'll start by doing some granola bites by spooning our mixture and patting it down in this candy mold, which I will link to down in the description below. You can use any size or shape mold you want. I just wouldn't go much thicker than this depth right here. We'll slide this off to the side and then do a couple of freestyle bars and some just straight up granola. So over here on the right, I'll just divide this into 3 chunks here, kind of square it up. And then over on the left, we'll break this up for granola. Good for yogurt and stuff. We'll throw this into an oven preheated to 250 degrees. And we'll let these cook for 45 minutes. At 45 minutes, we'll want to rotate our trays 180 degrees. This will account for any hot or cold spots in our oven and lead to a more even cooking. We'll then let these go for another 45 minutes before taking them out and allowing them to cool for at least a half an hour. They may seem a little bit soft at this point, but trust me, they'll firm up. After half an hour, if you're just making granola, you can bust up the pieces. In terms of the bars, you can see that those hold together quite nicely after they cool, very much like the old style granola bars. And our bites, just pop them right out of your silicone mold. So I've got a couple of my favorite taste testers here. We've got Jaden and Colton. Look at this, he's already reaching for it. He wants a bite. Go ahead, fine. What do you think? Do you like that? Yeah, you've got a little bit of a cold. Oh, for me too? For me? No.
Thank you.
Are you gonna eat the rest?
Is there nuts in there? Nuts?
So you can't see this, but we just set Colton down and he just ran right up to the tray and grabbed another one of these. So Even though he's not feeling very talkative today, I think we have a winner. These bites are not overly sweet. I was pretty conservative in terms of sweetener on these. If you want to amp up the sweetness, my advice is to do it with more stevia drops rather than more bocha sweet. Additionally, I have done batches of this with added salt and added cinnamon, and I definitely think those take this up to a whole nother place. So give some thought to adding up to a teaspoon of sea salt and maybe just like a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Also, if a person were so inclined, he or she might mix in some keto chocolate chips into this whole mixture before you bake them, if you were so inclined. I will link to the printable recipe along with all the macros down below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. If you're not a subscriber already, tap that subscribe button and then hit the bell and turn on all notifications. And lastly, if you'd like to help out the Serious Keto Test Kitchen, click that join button and see what memberships and perks are all about. Thanks for watching.